Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our React e-commerce series where we are on the part 2. So guys, in this video we will be doing the installation of Laravel and creating a simple registration form and with the login page also. So guys, let's get started. So first, let's move to our Laravel and go to the documentation. So we are on the version 8 guys, and we have to install this. So let's create a Laravel project via Composer. Installing via Composer. So let's copy this and get back to our folder. This is our React Ecom. Let's move. So this is our React app, and inside this only open your git bash and paste the command and mention this Laravel as Laravel React API. Okay, so for that React application we are going to create all the APIs in our Laravel project. So guys, hit enter and our project will start creating. So guys, let's wait till it's get installed completely. So guys, our Laravel package is installed now. Let's close this and let's move inside this Laravel API React and open with the editor. And guys, let's open with the git bash to start this Laravel package. So first, let's give a command php artisan serve, hit enter. So development started. So let's move. Hit enter. Perfect. So our application is installed, and now guys, let us set up the files. So let's get back to our Laravel app. So now first you are going to env file and set up the database. So my database name which we are going to create as React Ecom. Okay, so let's copy this, and username will be root, null, password, and get back to our php myadmin and create one database, paste React Ecom, create. So you can find that React Ecom is created guys. Let's copy this database name and get back to our application, paste that. Project name you can mention here, ReactJS Laravel Ecommerce. Okay, save it. Second, we have to go to app providers, where app service provider. So inside this boot function you have to assign the default string length, where schema : default string length function 191, and import the class of this. Perfect. So it's imported guys. Let's save. And we have successfully done with our Laravel setup in. So now let's get back to our React app, where I want to create a register page. Okay, so let's create a simple registration page in our React app. So let's get back to our React app, and inside our components, inside frontend, we want a registration page. So let's create one folder with the name auth, auth, and inside this auth create a register.js. Make sure you are giving capital register.js and one for login. So let's tell login.js. Done. So guys, now let's build a registration page. So first you have to import the React. Import React from React, where you are going to create the function. So function register function. Okay, and we have to export this. So export default register, and the design you are going to print inside this return function. So where let's open the simple div tag and close with the h tag. We have to give a register page. Okay, all set. So let's copy this and create that in the login page also. So paste here and change this function name to login and paste over here. All set. So guys, now let's call this React page in from our app.js. So in our app.js we are going to copy this and remove this exact and call the login. So your component will be login. Copy this and import the path. So import login from slash component forward slash frontend forward slash auth forward slash your login page. So same way you have to create for the register also. So let's tell register and register. So copy and paste, copy this component and call that component and make this URL as register. Save guys, get back to our browser, refresh. You can see on the register link we are on the registration page. Perfect. So guys, now let's design the pages for our register and login using getbootstrap.com. So let's go, hit enter, getbootstrap.com, and at the installation you can install this. So let's copy this and install it in our React app. So let's open our terminal and Control V, hit enter, and our installation will get started. Okay, so guys, our Bootstrap is successfully installed. Let's kill this terminal and let's include that Bootstrap in our main file. So that is index.js file. Okay, so I want to use this Bootstrap globally. So guys, to find that where it is, you have to go to your node modules, and inside this node module you'll find Bootstrap. Okay, so this is the Bootstrap, and inside this Bootstrap you have distinct file where CSS and the JS file. Okay, so let's call that path over here. So first go to your CSS and let's include the bootstrap min.css. So let's copy this bootstrap min.css path, copy path, and let's paste over here. So import, where you're going to from the just leave this node module and copy this and paste. Set, and just change the path from backslash to forward slash. Save, and same way you have to include the bundle file. So where inside the JS you'll find that bootstrap bundle.js. So I'll just show you this JS file. Let's copy the path, copy path and paste. So from here just leave your node modules and add that. Let's paste, save it. So give forward slash and arrange all these files. Okay, so guys, now let's test that. So let's move to our register and just create a simple button to test it. So make a class name where I will make this button primary, where checking. Save. Let's go to our React app, refresh. Cool. So our Bootstrap is integrated, guys, and now let's set a simple nav bar. So for that, let's move to our layouts. Inside layouts we have front end. So inside this front end, create a navbar.js file, and inside this navbar you are going to import the code of navbar design. Let's copy this, paste, make it to navbar. All set. and go back to get Bootstrap. Let's move to documentation, search for Navbar. Let's copy this Navbar design, copy and paste. So insert this Navbar return function, you need to paste that, and let's make few changes. So what changes are that is replace with the class to class name. So Control F, search that and mention as a class, capital NAME name, replace, perfect. So now guys, you need to replace with all the A tags with the link tag. So let's make it a link, LINK link, the href2 you have to mention, and guys you need to copy this link and mention at the top. So let's import that React, where you have to paste this link from React router DOM, all set. And now guys, let's just align with this. Okay, so this A tag you need to change it to link tag, link href2 and I don't require this form. Let's remove that form. So let's remove, let's make it to link, and this href2 and this will be a login page, and same way let's copy and paste. Let's remove this, this will be a register. And yep guys, so let's copy this once again and make that collections, save, give a path for it, /login /register, save, and let's call this front end. In our React we need on the home page also. Okay, so on this total page I need that, so you need to call this on the home page. Let's get back, let's move to home.js file, and over here we have to include our nav bar. So guys, for that let's nav bar, let's copy this and import that file. So import nav bar from your React. So that navbar is inside our layouts frontend navbar.js, and then you have to move to your layouts and then frontend /navbar.js. okay, save, and now guys let's see the output, refresh. Okay, cool, so our navbar has come guys. So let's just design this navbar. Let's get back to our navbar.js. I'm going to add just simple things. So let's make it to bg primary, shadow, and sticky top, save, and over here start auto, refresh, perfect. So you can see guys, it's over here, and you can make this that to dark, navbar dark, and from container fluid to just make it to container, save, refresh. You can see all perfect. So guys, now let's design with our login and register page. So get back, let's go to home page, let's copy the same thing, move to your login and paste, and import the class of this navbar. Let's go to home.js, copy the path and paste. So the navbar is one step out, set, login, perfect. So you are on the login page, give the condition as login. So same way you have to copy this and move to register, paste it where you have to call that navbar, copy this navbar and paste inside the register, save, perfect. So login and register, login page, register page. So guys, now let's design the form. So first we will start with the registration form. So open div, close div, class name where container, let's add p by 5 and a simple row. So let's create one row with the class name equal to row, open and close div, that is column md6, and let's make this just t5 content center, and the form I want to design in one card. So let's create that card and the card header, this class name is equal to card header, where you're going to tell this div with the class name, card body, and inside this div header you're going to give h4 tag where you will tell register, and this will be a simple form over here. So let's create a form tag, a div class name where form group margin bottom 3, a label, let's remove this for we don't require, full name, the input box name, and value we do not require right now, so let's save, copy, paste. We forgot the class, so let's give the class over here first. Class is equal to, not class, class name, form control, copy and paste. This will be your email ID, the password, paste, and this will be your confirm password. Okay, so change your name attributes, password and confirm password. Okay, all set. One simple button. So let's copy this div tag, a button where we'll tell register, class name, button primary, where this button will be as submit. So yep guys, and our form is designed. So let's see the output, refresh, cool. So you can find the design, right? So same way we are going to copy and make for the login thing. Okay, let's get back, let's copy the same design, container, copy and go to your login.js, let's paste that, paste. So over here mention login, and this will be a form. Let's remove few things which we don't require, only email and password, login button name, save and refresh. Let's move to login. Cool. So login register form is ready guys. So now we have successfully completed with how to make the front end and install the Laravel. And now guys, let's see next video how to build a registration system in ReactJS using Laravel API. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.